check this out. Gabi has been traveling with her tractor and the tiny house behind all the way from Switzerland. Now we are in Portugal. It's almost 3,000 kilometers away. And here cruising speed is 30 kilometers per hour. It's all built in Switzerland by Holzwerk brand. Here in the back you have a terrace and storage for the water and grey water. It has 150 liters. Here you have a from fireplace, chimney pipe. Here is below the battery system. It has 5 kilowatt EcoFlow battery and 4 solar panels on the roof. Here in the front is a single bed. It's very nice window, lots of storage space. It has a French doors, which makes it like very spacious when you open them both. Has feeling like you're outside. Dining table, wood stove, some storage for cutlery, pantry. This door is split door, so you can open just the top one for ventilation. Name of this house is Annabelle Rose. It has a 3-burner gas stove, oven, fridge is hidden right here under the countertop, sink, storage for spices, and behind this barn door is a bathroom with a shower and composting toilet, split unit.